6 of you all, I request you to go to the 44 area.
Thank you.
Wanted to make them realize that a girl is a beautiful bud who has the potential to blossom.
आ गए भाई मेरे अरे सॉरी
What's happening in your country that bothers you most? Well, 2009.
Good evening, all present here. Our special guest for this evening is Miss Pooja Chopra. She was crowned Femina Miss India East 2009.
Respected Director Sir with a memento. Thank you, ma'am. Who inspires progress and purpose. Under his guidance, this institution continues to grow with values, vision and excellence. It is rightly
Precious time which she has carved out from her busy schedule. Our school organizes this gala event every year, and each milestone is marked by a moment of pride.
Hello, hi, very good evening to everybody. First and foremost, please let me apologize on behalf of Air India because my flight got delayed by 3 hours. If you think that you were excited and you've been happy and you've been looking forward to meeting me, let me let you in on a little secret. I have been even happier and even more excited to meet you all. Trust me, it's the truth. For the simple fact that I knew that the moment I come to the school on an annual function and see the children, see the parents together and see the celebration, I'm going to be taken back into time and I'm going to be able to relive my moments.
Nobody is born a winner. To be a winner, one must plan to win, prepare to win, and accept to win. Here at Shane International, we not only value academics, but also our creative tendencies and cultivate it into something great which stays with you for the lifetime, with wide-ranging expansion in students, capability and disposition. We now have the prize distribution ceremony, and I request our Honorable Chairman Sir to give away the prizes to our shimmering Shaneite achievers for their hard work and dedication in academics. And third, Shreya Kumari. 3C, Naksh Kumar first, Pratik Gupta second, third, Daksh Chaudhary.
ओमो कमोन कहाँ गया ओमो? आया नहीं अभी, आएगा। ये तो आया।
4A, first position goes to Varat Kumar, second Vedant Kumar, third Anabia Wakil. 4B, Syed Faria Usmani second, and third Syed Rehan Akhtar. 4C, first Omnath Das, second Medaj. 5A, first
This evening, the students of Shane International School. Tonight isn't just some another school event. It's a celebration of talent, confidence, and the unbeatable Shane spirit. This is Quantum 2025! Quantum, a word that means a leap, a burst of energy, and a powerful transformation. And that is exactly what we promise you this evening. It's that special moment when every Shaneite
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Aryan.
And myself, Pihu. And we both are very delighted to be your host and host for this evening. But before we move ahead, can we ask everyone something?
Yes, everyone here has their mobile phones with them, right?
Of course you all do. These days, the first thing we check in the morning is our phones.
And I can already see many of you capturing these lovely moments on your mobile phones.
But you know what? Some moments are not meant to be captured in phones. They're meant to be captured in our memories.
Because memories last longer than megapixels.
Exactly. And in today's world, mobile phones have become an inseparable part of our lives. They connect us, entertain us, and even guide us.
But sometimes that connection becomes a distraction. What begins as a convenience slowly turns into addiction, affecting our studies, relationships, and even our health.
And that is exactly what our next performance is all about. A powerful message wrapped in fun and creativity.
A story that reflects how we should let go of the small screen and enjoy the big moments of the life. So get ready for a meaningful and eye-opening act.
Ladies and gentlemen, now comes the students of Standard 1 and 2 who are going to present Break the Screen, a performance on mobile addiction.
So let's welcome the performers on stage with a huge round of applause.
एक जमाना था जब 3 बंदर सिखाते थे बुरा मत देखो बुरा आज कोई इसके बिना न जी सकता है, न खा सकता है, न पी सकता है। और इतना ही नहीं, इसके बिना तो किसी का वजूद ही नहीं रहा। मोबाइल तो जैसे सबकी जिंदगी बन गया है, कुछ इस तरह।
हो जाएंगे जुदा।
बाप रे, इसने तो हद ही कर दी है। सबकी नींद चैन सब चुरा लिया है। भाई साहब, अब जरा चैन से सोने तो दो।
सबसे बेस्ट है ये वाला।
बड़े हो या छोटे, सबको एक ही चीज पसंद है, वो है यह उल्लू बनाने वाला मशीन। तो भी इसके अलावा और कोई चीज पसंद ही नहीं आती। क्या मस्त चीज है ना?
तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त, तू है मस्त।
सबको जैसे चाय की लत लगती है, कॉफी की लत लगती है, वैसे ही मोबाइल की भी लत लग गई है। आजकल के सभी इंसान, चाहे बड़े हो या छोटे, बूढ़े हो या जवान, सबको लगता है जैसे मोबाइल के बिना कोई जिंदगी ही नहीं रही। आपको भी लग गई है ना यह पूरी लत?
श्री राम की महिमा ये है कि वो शब्द और वाणी से परे है।
शांति भुवन सेवन रघुपति सहायन।
मेरा दशानन भूमि पे और मुख से निकला जय श्री राम।
करके गोल
Because now it's time to wake up the Bollywood fan inside everyone here.
We're going to say an epic dialogue, and you all have to guess the actor. No name reveal until the end. Audience, are you ready?
So here's the first dialogue. हमको मिटा सके ये जमाने में दम नहीं, हमसे जमाना खुद है, जमाने से हम नहीं।
Who said that? Come on, audience, guess the name. All right then, the legend behind this iconic dialogue is none other than
the He-Man of Bollywood, Dharmendra ji.
But tonight, it isn't about remembering his dialogues or celebrating his stardom.
We stand here with heavy hearts because the world recently lost this shining star.
Yes, our beloved Dharmendra ji is no longer with us, but his legacy will live on forever.
Actors become stars, but rare souls like him become immortal.
And it is our honor as students and admirers to pay tribute to such a legendary actor.
We now present a special tribute performance by our students.
A performance filled with his energy, spirit and iconic moments. So please welcome the performers on stage with a huge round of applause.
अरे
ये क्या कह रहे हो?
अरे देखो
इमोशन है, ड्रामा है, ट्रेजेडी है।
For the program, I would like to hand over the mic to our co-host, Sana and Annapurna.
बुढ़ापा तो कभी जवानी है पिता, माँ अगर है मासूम सी लोरी तो कभी ना भूल पाऊंगा वो कहानी है पिता।
बैठे हैं मेरे लिए कोई न जाने, कहते हैं बड़ा नाम क्या।
रोहन, तुम 2 सब्जेक्ट्स में फेल हो।
मेरी आंखों में कैसी नमी है।
रोहन, आपके रिजल्ट का क्या हुआ?
मैं 2 सब्जेक्ट में फेल हूँ।
ये तो होगा ही, पढ़ाई पे ध्यान नहीं दोगे तो। अरे क्या कुछ नहीं किया हमने तुम्हारे लिए, चला जा मेरी नजरों के सामने से।
जग सुना सुना लगा तू ही तारा रात हमारा।
जाके फोड़ के जाना चाहिए था।
बाय बाय। अब शीशा नीचे करके शीशा तो कभी नीचे करके जाती। चलो चलो
वाह मोटी बहन वाह, स्मार्ट।
कोई है यहाँ? बापूजी, मैं हूँ ना, मैं हंसा, जयश्री, हिमांशु और आप बापूजी।
मोटी बहन, ये दरवाजे को तो देखो, लगता है किसी ने कितने टाइम से साफ ही नहीं किया। टाइम से डेटॉल से साफ करना था ना, चकाई।
अप्रैल 2025।
कश्मीर है।
पहलगाम के पाकिस्तान में आतंकियों ने किया टूरिस्ट पर हमला। इस हमले में 27 की मौत जबकि दर्जनों घायल होने की सूचना।
गल्ला तेरिया तो लगदा है यारा, तेरिया तो लगदा है यारा।
तान घर में घुसेगा भी, अम्मा मारेगा।
मैं करना
मैं एक चिंगारी रहा। कहाँ पर बचेगा?
We welcome you all to an electrifying night where energy meets emotions and celebration meets awe.
Tonight, we gather to celebrate a legendary journey, one of great passion and out of this world talent.
Some artists shine with skills, but this one shines even brighter because his spirit refuses to dim.
The artist we are honoring, he didn't just enter the cinema, he redefined it. He didn't just dance, he floated. He didn't just act it, he transformed.
From his very first frame, he sparked a wave of freshness, charm, and pure magic. With every film, every role, he proved that excellence isn't a moment, it's a habit.
Tonight, let's relive the romance of a lover, the fire of a fighter, the elegance of a dancer, and the heroics of a superhero.
Let us give tribute to the man who turns emotions into art and gave us characters that we will never forget.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the name behind unforgettable moments.
The name that echoes style, strength, and stardom.
Hrithik Roshan! So let the tribute begin.